Sometimes you might run into some issues with your board seeming to not be calibrated, meaning you might touch in one spot and it actually reacts in another spot. So I'm going to show you some quick calibration strategies that you can use to see if it improves at all. So the first thing you want to do is get your handy dandy remote and click on the menu button. Then scroll down to where it says extended and click the enter button here in the center. And then you can do it again for easy interactive tools function, or easy interactive function, there we go. And then you can just start by doing auto calibration, which is the top one on the list there. So I'm going to hit enter once and again twice. It's going to calibrate it. Again, you want to make sure that the marker tray along the bottom is clear and that there's no magnets to the sides of the board, because that can also interfere. It'll take a few seconds and then it should come right back up to your screen. There it is. Okay, another way you can do it is again hit menu, go down to extended once again, and then instead of auto calibration, this time you can go to touch unit setup and then go down to touch calibration. Hit yes. And then you're going to see a little green dot appear in the upper left corner there. And you just hold down on it until it disappears. And then just like on a smart board, you're going to follow the dots around to calibrate each individual point. And then it'll take a few seconds to calibrate and then spit you back out to your main screen. So those are just a few ways that you can manually calibrate your screen if it doesn't seem to be working correctly.